Hey, what's up, YouTube? Just checking back in on the 9-month post-op Supraspinatus full thickness tear on my right shoulder. If you've watched my other videos, you probably know all about it, but to the new ones, basically I had a full thickness tear, large separation. They had it repaired in November. We're at 9 months, and just wanted to give you guys an update. Just in the middle of cooking some dinner here, and just thought I'd check in. So what we're looking at here is basically, I think in another 3 months at a year, I will probably be close to 100%. Right now, at this point, my range of motion is pretty much almost 100%. I can reach across here. As you can see on my left hand, this is the shoulder. Reaching across, I'm still limited. Maybe I'm about 90% here. Also, if you can look at my left hand here, my right shoulder here, that's a bit of progression. So basically, I couldn't even reach that up. I still can't turn my hand very good on the back, reaching out the back. However, physically, I've been doing pretty much everything normal. So I work, I do yard work, I clean the house, I make dinner, I play tennis, and I've been playing a lot of pickleball lately, at least 3 to 4 times a week. And with all that, you know, sometimes it gets sore. There's times where I can still feel it pinch, you know, that pinch feeling. But definitely know that the repair is good. You know, just the fact that I can move it around without any problems. You know, sometimes I'll go for an overhead on the pickleball, and that will cause it to flinch a little bit and a little bit of pain. So, you know, there's that, and it happens. But I think, you know, all in all, my recovery's come along great. And if you're out there and you're getting the surgery, or you've already had it and you're looking to see some comparison to somebody, you know, at 9 months, I'm doing better than I thought I would be doing when I was at 3 months, but not as good as I thought I would be before I had the surgery. You know, at 9 months you think, oh, I'm going to be fantastic. No, it's not perfect, and I definitely am aware of it. Not all the time like I used to be. Every little motion I would be completely aware of it, and you know, you do some little thing and it would be, oh, I can feel it. Even though it wasn't pain, you can feel it. Now, the only time I really feel it is if I'm actually going to do something. I mean, you can see like me making this fast motion. None of that, doesn't even affect me. Being up here and making that overhead motion, I can feel it. It doesn't hurt, and I haven't hurt it or injured it in any way since doing these sports or activities or anything like that. I can lift. I don't know if that's even that heavy. I just made some rice in the thing, but you know, it's not even that big a deal. I can lift it way out here. You know, that's not a problem. So I don't have anything else to lift really, but anyway, the point is, I'm close. I'm like 95% of being where I think I should be. And you know, going forward, I know that the strength will build over time. I definitely don't have overhead strength. I can tell that when I'm lifting something up, I don't have the strength in my arm yet, but that comes with time. You know, if I had a regimen or a workout program to make it stronger, I would probably be better, but I'm not doing that. I'm just doing my normal day-to-day stuff, and I'm assuming it will just get better over time. But who has time for that stuff? I don't. I'm sure some people do, but I don't. Anyway, another positive note: sleeping. I have been sleeping on that side for the last couple of months. So probably around 7 months, I started laying on the right side, and I could feel it, but I didn't care. I just wanted to sleep on that side, and now I'm fine. It's fine doing that. So that's huge. 7 months later, sleeping on my right side. Anyway, that sucks. Anyway, if you're out there and you're getting the surgery or you've had it, I wish you the best of luck, and I hope things go smooth. Just stick to your stretches, keep a positive attitude, you know, mind over matter. It really does come down to that positive outlook and making sure your mind and body are healthy at the same time, because it makes a huge difference. Anyway, good luck out there. Leave some comments or drop a like if this helped you at all, and good luck out there. Thanks.